Hello everyone, welcome back to Cannonball Repair. I'm David, your host today. Do you like stair-stepping in your yard? Do you like stripes in your yard? Do you like uneven fescue across your yard? Well, let me interest you into the Mow Uneven 4000. Here it is, guys. Come and get it. Yeah, that's what we're dealing with today. Well, as y'all seen in the intro, if you want your yards to be uneven, make sure you break your spindle, as you can see here, which allows all kinds of play, all kinds of bearing noise. Anyway, this was sitting in that pocket there, and whenever it gives way and breaks like it does there, well, it sits in there like that. That's exaggerated, but that's what it does. So your blades cut very uneven. So we got a new one of these. Going to install it, re-level the deck. We'll be in business. Well, we got the old Cub Cadet back together, loaded up, getting ready to take it back. It's not stair-stepping the yard no more. Nice and smooth. Overlook all this, but it's nice and smooth now. I know there is a line there, but that was where I haven't mowed because we got another lawnmower we got to level the deck on. But as far as from here all the way over, nice and smooth. So folks, if uneven fescue in your yard is not what you want, I do not recommend the Uneven 4000. It's junk. Don't buy it. No, but just keep an eye on your deck bearings. If you got a little roaring and it's not mowing level, you might want to check those bearings.